If you are visiting Helsinki, Finland, I recommend making a day trip to Tallinn, Estonia. The best way to make the journey is by booking a trip on the Eckero Line Ferry. Welcome to Sarah's Scuba and Travel channel. In this video, I want to share tips and helpful information for your ferry experience. I recommend taking the early morning ferry to maximize the amount of time you have in Tallinn. Arrive at West Terminal 2 at least 45 minutes prior to your departure time in Helsinki. They stop allowing boarding after 30 minutes before departure. You can purchase your tickets online in advance, which allows you to bypass the lines at the terminal. Make sure you have your passport and any other required travel documents with you. These documents were never checked, but you want to have them with you just in case you are stopped at any point throughout your journey, or if you miss your ferry and need to make adjustments to your itinerary. During your reservation process, you have the option to book a private cabin. If you think you would like to lay down and relax before your arrival to Tallinn, this would be a great option for you. I did not schedule a cabin for our journey, but we were quite tired, and it would have been a nice option to have a place to lay down and relax. This might be an expense you want to splurge on. If you do not book a cabin, I recommend heading to Bar Nosturi, where you can find tables and booths on various levels to sit and relax. There is a bar where you can order drinks, but I recommend bringing snacks with you on board. If you have items you would like to store away and you did not book a cabin, there are lockers available for rent as well. The journey is approximately 2.5 hours, so bring activities to keep yourself busy. However, take some time to explore the ship. I was truly amazed at the size of this ferry. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting this. It was like a small cruise ship. There are duty-free shops, slot machines, various cafes and bars, and a sun deck. Now, there wasn't much sun to enjoy in December, but if you can stand the cold, it is a great place to get some beautiful, unobstructed views before leaving the port. When you arrive in Tallinn, make note of the terminal as you will need to return here later in the day. In December of 2023, Eckeroline boarded at Terminal A in Tallinn. Again, I recommend arriving at the terminal at least 45 to 60 minutes before your departure time. There will be a lot of people waiting, but the boarding process moves pretty quickly. If you make your reservation online, you will have the opportunity to purchase the breakfast buffet for your morning trip and the dinner buffet for your return trip. I recommend making this purchase when buying your tickets, as it is a little cheaper than purchasing the buffet on the boat. We purchased the dinner buffet for our return journey. The buffet offered a variety of traditional Finnish and Nordic starters, entrees, and desserts. The buffet also included unlimited wine and beer, along with other non-alcoholic beverages. We had a table that was reserved for us during our journey, so we spent most of our return journey sitting at the table in the buffet. You may notice a lot of people transporting alcohol on the return journey. Alcohol prices are higher in Finland due to the socialized medicine, so a lot of people in Finland go to Estonia to purchase alcohol. It was an interesting cultural observation, very similar to what it's like in the States, where you may have a dry county and people travel to another county to purchase alcohol. However you choose to experience your ferry ride, I hope it is a safe and wonderful experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you would like to help support future productions, please donate using the Super Thanks button or by buying me a snack using the link in the description below. Please join the Facebook group and follow me on Instagram for more content.